This assessment asks us to practice drawing the flipped chair following the instructions in Table 3.13. All that's different from the chair and the so-called flipped chair is that our parallel lines that we start with are going to be going in opposite directions. So we'll have a line here and a line here. Note that now the bottom line starts a little bit more to the left. At this point, we're ready to put in parallel lines, so we can have a parallel line, a line emanating in this direction and this direction that are parallel to each other. From here, we can connect these two with parallel lines here and parallel lines there. You'll note that my flipped chair never looks as good as my normal chair because the normal chair is the one I'm more used to drawing. And by the way, there's no such thing as normal and flipped. It's arbitrary. But regardless, we're now ready to put in the substituents. We can do our axial substituents by noting the direction of the vertex. Here the vertex is down, so we're going to have a line oriented parallel to an axis that cuts through the center of the ring. We can do that here, here, and then here. Note that this bond is behind, this substituent bond is behind this bond here, and so we show it disappearing. Those are our axial down substituents. We can do the axial up wherever the vertex is going up. So here, here, and here. Note that this bond is going to be in front of that line, so we can kind of show the bond in the back disappearing behind the substituent. We're now ready to put in our equatorial substituents, which is going to be aligned. Each equatorial substituent is going to be aligned with some bond in the ring. So this bond here, these two bonds in the ring are going to be parallel to this equatorial substituent and this equatorial substituent. These here are going to be aligned with this one and this one. So we've got parallel line here, 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 and here. And then the last one is going to be this line and this line being parallel to this equatorial substituent and this equatorial substituent. Once again, to get in that, to become able to draw these in a way that represents what the chair conformation is meant to represent, just practice.